Hello, welcome to a brief explanation of the common features found in ITM Platform. This video is applicable to portfolio managers, project managers, and team members. In this video, we will explain the purpose of the homepage, toolbar, profile, and favorites, as well as how to use them. When you log into ITM Platform, you will be directed to the homepage. This is the way ITM Platform looks for every user. The homepage consists of a menu that will vary in options depending on your role, a personal board that helps you keep track of the progress you make on tasks, a social collaboration board, your favorites list, and a toolbar at the top of the page. Looking at the right side of the toolbar, you will see I'm currently logged in under the name Full Access. The name that appears here will change based on your name. Clicking on this will allow you to configure your profile, change your password, and disconnect from your account. Under the question mark icon, you will find multiple options available for receiving help. You can choose to have on-screen help or click on Help and Tutorials, which will bring you to the ITM Platform Help Center. You can also choose to see the latest release from ITM Platform, contact support, or see the terms of use and privacy. Next to the Help icon, there's a Chat icon. This will open and close the chat box on the right side of the screen. There's also a Search icon, which will allow you to search through the ITM Platform environment. On the left side of the page is a Menu icon, which will make the menu appear and disappear. On a desktop, you must click this if you'd like to hide the menu. However, on the mobile version of ITM Platform, it will disappear automatically. The menu is divided into 4 sections. The first section is My Desktop, which is a very user. Under My Desktop, you have your Home panel, Projects, Services, Tasks and Activities, Timesheet, and Authorizations. The information you find under My Desktop will only consist of the tasks and projects you are assigned to. If you would like to see all the projects, you must go to the Projects page listed under Management. The second section is Management, which provides you with options to manage your portfolios, programs, projects, and more. By default, project managers have access to some of these options. The third section is Organization, which is usually only available for full access users. Finally, the fourth section is Configuration, where one can configure ITM Platform to the necessary settings. If you click on My Profile, you'll be taken to a page where you can fill in or change your personal information. You have the option to change the language ITM Platform is in as well. This will only affect the look of your account, not others. However, the content placed in ITM Platform and the comments made in the message box will remain in the language they were originally posted. At the bottom of the page, you will see an option to change your user preferences. Every user will have the company default set as their chosen preference. However, you can overwrite these settings. You can change the date format, number format, and the first day of the week. The communication setting will also initially be set to the company default settings, but can be overwritten as well. You can choose what you would like to be notified of, when you would like to be notified, change your board settings. The changes to the board settings appear on the Personal board, which is found on the Home panel of the home page. On the Home panel, you will see your Personal board. It is divided into 3 columns: To Do, In Progress, and Recently Completed. Full Access has the ability to move any of these tasks. A project manager can move tasks associated with their project, and team members cannot move tasks unless they are a task manager. A silhouette of a man in the upper right corner of the task box means that you are the task manager. A silhouette of a man next to a project title means that you are the project manager. Every project can be collapsed and expanded if needed. Users can be assigned to one of the 3 major work entities: Waterfall, Agile, or Service. The letter C in a blue circle next to the project title represents a classic waterfall project. The letter K in an orange circle next to the project title represents an agile Kanban project. The letter S in a green circle next to the project title represents a service. We will now switch to the team member demo. This is how a team member will view the homepage. They have every option available to them on their desktop except authorizations. They do not have the ability to move tasks that are part of classic waterfall projects unless they are the task or project manager. However, they can move Kanban project tasks. Agile methodologies allow a more flexible behavior, therefore a team member can move tasks around the board. Depending on the task layout, moving a task from in progress to completed can require an extra step. An example of this can be found in the Kanban project entitled Infrastructure Management and Maintenance. When you move the task from in progress to completed, you have the option to choose whether it's been completed for review or completed to be approved. A team member also has access to the project file, related documents, and the complete record. If you click on Go to the complete record, you will be taken to the project itself, where the project can be seen in more detail. We will now switch back to the full access demo. Below the personal board is a list of your favorites. You can add any section of ITM Platform to your favorites. This allows you to access your work directly from the homepage. For example, you can go to a Your Favorites list. Now that task is listed in your personal homepage. To remove a favorite on the list, simply click on the star of the favorite you'd like to delete. This concludes the brief overview of the common features found in ITM Platform. This video demonstrated the purpose of the common features and how they work throughout different sections of ITM Platform, including the menu, personal board, in full access and team member view, profile configurations, and how to add favorites to your homepage. If you would like to know more about the features of ITM Platform, please check out our other videos, email support@itmplatform.com, or request a demo directly through our website. Thank you very much for listening.